So okay, this is the final product, the fava beans here. So see, and remember we cooked the fava beans, dry fava beans, for 1 hour, and then 20 minutes you put the good ashes, which is these ashes here, ashes, yeah, ashes. So ashes. So this is the final product that you see here. So it's face it here. So I put this design here. So but this is you can put some hot chili on top. So this is the fava beans hummus, Maya's cuisine. So share it and follow us for recipes, or send me a recipe. But basically it's dry fava beans. Cook it for 1 hour, and then after 1 hour add like half a cup of ashes to it, half cup ashes, and then to make it like much easier to peel the fava beans, and then after you peel it, and then bring it to the broil again for another half hour until you make it thick like this. So it's thick. So until you make it thick like this, and then you add achiote paste or garlic or parsley or any seasoning that you want to put in it, so it will make it much tastier. But this one is basically just achiote paste and apazote, which is it's like cilantro, but I think you can see it to Mexican store or Latino store. Just ask for apazote, so it kind of makes gives you a really nice flavor. And this is this leaves is just for design, for is the bay leaves. Yeah, fresh bay leaves. So this one is fresh bay leaves, and I just put it for design here. So share it and follow this recipe, the Maya's hummus cuisine.